seed.
I do not like how close his beak is to my eyes.
Oh, he's totally just looking. We had Smokey before. Smokey was really smart and cool. Smokey was hilarious, and we just left him. I say we, but it was Monica's conure. And it's like the pirate bird when you see a pirate
That's
in a
so
movie.
cool.
That's the bird they have. They have a
Oh my
conure
God,
down
Sylvia is gonna be
Parrot.
so
Okay.
jealous tomorrow.
And
No,
he
she
would just
doesn't
fly
do
around
that.
from people to people and land on their shoulder. And that guy would
I don't
poop.
like how he's looking in my
By
eye
the time
though.
you
No,
left,
it's okay.
you'd have
He's
like
not gonna
13 poop stains on you.
I'm gonna
'Cause
grab
you just
him.
poop wherever you wanted to poop. This guy doesn't poop on you.
Okay.
No, yeah.
I mean, once
Yeah.
in a
Sound?
while.
That's always happens to Alex, yeah. That's a very nice sound.
What else do I do now?
Do the.
Filming.
Do the.
I'm good when you're filming, because I'm always smiling like you're.
Taking a picture. I thought it was make a sound.